Hello, my name is Brian Williams, and today I'll be teaching the Pythagorean Theorem. And now I'll take you where today's lesson will be taught. This is where today's lesson on the Pythagorean Theorem will be taught at.
What is the Pythagorean Theorem? Is it math related? I don't know, but it's really starting to scare me a little bit, man!
No need to fear, student, for your math teacher is here. Today we're going to learn about the Pythagorean Theorem. It's a simple way to solve right triangles. The formula is as follows: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Here's an example of how it works. You got side A and side B. Either one does not matter, they're interchangeable. And side C is always the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, and it's always opposite of the right angle. As you can see here, we have the simple formula: a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a is 3 squared, and 4 is b squared, and c squared we don't know yet. Now you just do the formula as follows: 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and it equals c squared. 9 plus 16 is 25, still equaling c squared. Now to cancel the squared part on the c, to figure out what c is, you must take the square root. Now to cancel the squared and the c squared, you must take the square root of both sides. So you get the square root of 25 equals the square root of c squared, which the square root and squared cancel each other out, giving you just c. And the square root of 25 is just 5, so you got c is 5. That is your hypotenuse. Now, we'll try to figure out the side B when we're given the hypotenuse. Now, as you can see, this one's set up a little bit differently. We are given side C, which is 5 squared. We're given side A, which is 3 squared. We don't know what B is yet. Now, what we first must do is take the square of 3, which is 9, and the square of 5, which is 25, and just bring down the b squared. Now, you must take 9 from both sides, giving you 16 equaling the b squared. And the same thing as when you want to find c squared, you would take the square root of both sides to remove the squared up in b. So you got the square root of 16 and the square root of b squared. Now the square root will cancel out the squared in the b, and then you find out what the square root of 16 is, leaving you with b equaling 4. Well everyone, that was my very exciting video lesson on how to do the Pythagorean Theorem. I hope you all will join me next time. Until then,